Those of you who work with multi-body parts will appreciate the new Show Hidden Bodies command in SOLIDWORKS 2024. I've added the command to the feature toolbar. Previously, it had to be done from the pull-down menu. It works just like the assembly Show Hidden Components command. We select what we want to unhide and then exit the command. Also new in SOLIDWORKS 2024, if you select a combination of bodies, planes, or sketches from the feature manager, where some are hidden and some are shown, both hide and show appear in the context toolbar, and we can change them all to the same state. I'll hide this body. This body is shown, this body is hidden. Now we can either hide both or show both. It's the same with planes. This plane's visible, this plane's hidden. We can either hide or show both. And the same with sketches. A visible sketch, a couple of hidden sketches, we can either hide them all or show them all. These are the types of enhancements that can speed up productivity. Thank you.